For example's sake here, we're going to click on the letter B and we're going to look for Bank of America because that is going to be the bank account that I'm using to set up with Zelle. Here we are inside of the Bank of America account for one of my LLCs, and I'm going to show you how to enroll in Zelle, but you could also do this from the website in most cases. However, you might find the app is a better overall user experience. Look for something about paying or sending money to somebody, and it's going to be in a different location for each app. In this case here, we're going to click on Pay and Transfer. And once we do that, we can see smack dab in the top middle, we have the option for Zelle to send or receive money. We're going to click on that, and this is going to begin the Zelle enrollment. At this point, we're going to click to set up Zelle, and this is how you get started. You're going to enroll with either a mobile phone number or an email address. In this case, we're going to click on the blue button, and I'm going to opt for using my email address instead of a phone number since I already have a personal Zelle account. So what I've done here is had it sign up using my email address, and then I also chose the account that I want to be sending and receiving money to and from. At that point, you're going to click on this button here if you agree to the terms and conditions, and then you're going to formally click on I agree. Now at this point, there is going to be a two-factor code that is sent over to my email, so I'm going to go ahead and validate that now. And just like that, Zelle enrollment is complete. It's literally that easy. So it says here, success. So at this point, I'm set up for Zelle using my Bank of America account.